Can AI build complete software without humans? The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has sparked a debate about its potential to revolutionize software development. Imagine a world where code is written, tested, and deployed without human intervention. This vision prompts the question, can AI indeed build complete software without the need for human developers? On one hand, AI has made significant strides in automating various aspects of software development. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and even generate code snippets based on predefined parameters. Additionally, tools like automated testing and deployment solutions enhance efficiency and reduce human error, thereby streamlining the development process. This automation leads to quicker project turnaround times and allows human developers to focus on more complex and creative tasks that require intuition and problem-solving skills. However, the complete eradication of humans from the software development equation remains a distant reality. While AI excels in data analysis and repetitive tasks, it lacks the creative intuition and understanding of user needs that human developers possess. Building software is not merely about writing code. It involves grasping user experience, envisioning design elements, and ensuring that the software meets practical requirements. Every piece of software is imbued with subtle nuances that AI may struggle to comprehend without substantial input and guidance from human experts. Moreover, the collaborative nature of software development cannot be overlooked. Human developers bring diverse perspectives and innovative ideas to the table, contributing to a holistic understanding of complex projects. The synergy of human intellect and AI capabilities can lead to more robust and efficient software solutions. Futuristic scenarios suggest that rather than replacing developers, AI will serve as an invaluable partner, enhancing productivity and creativity, while leaving the critical decision-making processes to human expertise. In conclusion, while AI can certainly contribute significantly to software development, the complete independence of AI in building software without humans is not yet plausible. The future will likely see a collaborative relationship between AI and developers, where both entities harness their strengths to create more effective and user-centered software. As technology evolves, so too will the relationship between humans and machines in the fascinating world of software development.